past, and present, all in one sentence. I woke up, that's done, behind the door. But I am still here, present, right now. That's you right now, listening to this.
That's you, learning, growing, still here, and not matters.
It really does. Okay, let's do our little story to close. One character, one journey, all the time feelings we talked about today.
Her name is Mira. She woke up early this morning because she had an interview. She prepared her notes the night before and she told herself, I can do this. At 10 o'clock, she walked into the office. She was nervous, but she smiled anyway. And now she is waiting for the call. She doesn't know the answer yet, but she has done everything she could.
She woke up, past. She prepared, past. She told herself, past. She walked in, past. But now she is waiting, present. She doesn't know, present. She has done. Her story, her bridge between past and now.
And that's us, isn't it? All of us learning English. We have made mistakes, we have tried and stumbled and tried again. And right now, we are still here, still learning, still growing.
Not perfect, but confident. That's the whole thing. Confidence is more important than perfection. English is not a test, it's a tool, and tools are for using. So use it, even when it's a little messy, especially when it's a little messy.
Silence is more dangerous than a wrong sentence, always.
Always. Just keep speaking.
Okay, before we go, quick recap. When something is finished, done, behind you, the language shifts to mark that closed door. When something is still true, still happening, still alive, the language stays open, stays present. And when something is part of your life story, connecting your past to right now, there's that little bridge, that have or has, that carries the experience forward.
3 feelings, 3 time moments, 1 beautiful, natural conversation about your day.
And the good news is, you already feel these moments in your own language. You already know when something is over and when it's still happening. We're just giving English to feelings you already have.
Exactly. So go describe your day. Tell someone what happened. Tell them what's still true. Tell them your story.
And if this episode helped you, if even one part of it clicked, please like, subscribe, share it with someone who's also on this English journey. It helps us reach more learners and it helps more people feel less alone in this process.
Because you are not alone. This community, this little podcast family, we're all going through it together. And we are so proud of you for showing up today.
Genuinely proud. You listened, you stayed with us. That already says something about who you are.
Thank you to the subscriber who inspired today's topic. You asked the question that so many people are afraid to ask, and that took courage. This one was for you.
All right, until next time, keep speaking, keep showing up, and remember,
not perfect, but confident.
Take care, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Bye.